You probably don't think about your furnace filter much, and you aren't alone. In fact, 82% of Americans fail to change their air filter monthly as recommended, even though it's critical for a home's air quality. At the same time, people are indoors more than ever before. The majority spend almost 22 hours inside every day. But what's the quality of the air you and your family are breathing? AirThreds is the first machine-washable and dryer-friendly furnace air filter. It's the perfect solution for ensuring great air quality in your home. As your furnace filter gets dirtier, more and more indoor air pollutants are left to circulate in your house. These particles, contaminants, and organisms can cause a variety of health problems, some of them serious. Beyond health concerns, not regularly changing your filter also leads to a higher energy bill and mechanical failures that will cost you. Routinely changing your furnace air filter helps extend the service life of your HVAC system. Using a disposable filter each month is expensive. They're made from non-recyclable materials that end up in your local landfill and hurt the environment. That's why we invented AirThreds. Unlike traditional filters, AirThreds is designed to be reusable, long-lasting, and environmentally conscious. How easy is AirThreds to use? The frame self-assembles and snaps together with ease. Just slide the filter over the frame, change out your old disposable filter with AirThreds, and you're done. AirThreds is specifically made from electrostatic material, meaning the filter's 3D mesh attracts and captures 90% of pollen, dust mites, mold, larger dust particles, common allergens, and help reduce pet dander in your house. Once a month, or even more if you want, just toss your filter in the washer, then the dryer, and your filter is like new. No more costly replacement filters. Breathe easy knowing you have the cleanest, healthiest air in your home. Plus, we even send you our magnetic reminder board, so you know when it's time for the next wash. AirThreds. Wash, dry, filter, repeat. The last filter you'll ever need.